Hello people, so today we'll be solving a daily question, that is number of good leaf nodes pairs, and in this we'll be given the root of a binary tree and an integer distance, and a pair of two different leaf nodes of a binary tree is said to be good if the length of the shortest path between them is less than or equal to the given distance. Okay, and we have to return the number of good leaf nodes pair and the tree. For example, we are having this particular tree 1, 2, and the leaf nodes are 4 and 3, and the maximum distance allowed is 3, so we can form just one path is also possible. It's obvious that only one path is possible because we'll go from this leaf node to this leaf node by 3 distance, so my output comes out to be 1. Next example is a pretty nice one. For example, in this we are having this particular tree, and my distance maximum distance allowed is 3. So for traveling between the leaf nodes firstly are 4, 5, 6, 7. So then we'll be checking that if 4 from 4 to 6, if it's possible 4 to 5, 4 to, so the answer is 2 because the only two possible paths are 4 to 5 with the distance of less than or equal to 3. Apparently their distance comes out to be 2, and similarly 6 and 7, and their distance also comes out to be 2. Okay, so the potential answer is 2. Okay. So now let's start with having a global variable answer, and in this we'll be having a DFS call. Let's write the function, and this will be passing the DFS root comma distance, and then we'll return answer. Okay, now let's quickly write a private function, and its return time is going to be int array because based on the nodes with the distance particularly. Okay, now DFS, that is tree node root comma int dist. So firstly that we'll be checking that if root is equal to null, in that case we'll be returning a new int array of size dist plus 1. Okay, then we'll be checking that if it's a root, if root dot left is equal to null and root dot right is equal to null, then what we'll be doing is we'll be having a result array of size new int dist plus 1, and we'll be updating the first node of this distance. Okay, result 1 plus plus, and then we'll just return our result array. Okay, else if this is not the case, we'll be having like if we are at this node, we'll be calculating for this and this, the distances int left, that will be equal to dfs by the root dot left comma distance. Similarly for sorry, I submitted by mistake, just checking it for it. Yeah, so instead we'll be having a right. Okay, then in this we'll be traversing in both the arrays, that for int I equal to 0, I less than left dot length I plus plus, let's just add a space, and then we'll be having j iterator as well for traversing for int j equal to dist minus 1, j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. And now what we'll be doing is we'll be updating our answer array, as we know that if this is well, oh sorry, firstly that if I plus j is less than or equal to the given distance, what we'll be checking is we'll be updating the answer variable, because we can know that we can form the number of nodes in this area only. So by left I into right j. Okay, and after that we'll create a new array because we need to send it to the above node as well. So let's create int result array again, that is equal to new int of size dist plus 1. Then what I'll be doing is that for int I equal to res dot length minus 2, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Then I'll be doing that result of I plus 1 will be equal to left of I plus right of I. Okay, and at the end I'll just return the result array. Now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for video. Thank you for watching.